Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to color grading Wes Anderson trending on TikTok easily in CapCut apps. So if you have a project, just tap on it and go to filters, click and select orange blue filters, click and adjust body opacity in 90 and select adjust, select contrast and adjust for 6, right, saturation in 15, right, and then for shadow you can adjust in 10, temperature and 15, and you can click check mark and then see the final result. Super simple. That's how you can create the color grading of the Wes Anderson trending on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.